Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create these cool Twixtor videos inside of Filmora 13 and also CapCut video editor. So you can make Twixtor videos like this using optical flow in both video editors, but I found a free tool to get even smoother results for your Twixtor clips. So let's see how to create these Twixtor clips. Okay guys, first I will show you how to do it with Filmora. So this is the clip I used to create the Twixtor video. So now we need to remove all non-active frames in this clip. So in this video I used 23.97 FPS, because a low frame rate helps to find what's the non-active frames in our video. So if your video is 30 FPS or 60 FPS, you can simply change your frame rate here. Then we need to find non-active frames in this clip. So I go forward frame by frame. So here I only focus on the character movement. We don't need this dust animation and other camera movements. We only need this character's movement. So I go frame by frame. And here you can see this character is moving in this frame. So I split this part by pressing Ctrl+B on the keyboard. So then I go forward again. And the character is moving in this frame. So I split this layer here. So I do the same process in the whole layer like this. Okay, after that select these all split parts, and go to the end of the clip. And drag it to the left like this. Okay, now we change the clip length to single frame. So then we need to remove these layer gaps. So you can do it simply by right-clicking on the layers. Then select the close gap. Also you can do it by pressing Alt+Delete keys on the keyboard. Okay, now you can see we only have our active frames in our video. So now we need to export this video to increase the frame rate using our AI tool. So go to the export, and you can name the video what you want. Then go to the settings, and keep the frame rate 23.97, then you can change other things you like. Then export this video. Okay, after that we need to download an AI tool called Flowframes. This is a free AI tool. So this free AI tool helps to increase our video frame rate. So you can download this tool by clicking this download button right here. And click here. Then click this download button to download this to your PC. So after the installation, you have a new interface like this. So then go to the interpolation section. And select interpolation AI mode to this first one. Then we need to add our exported video to this. So I simply drag and drop my video like this. Okay, then you can select the output path here. So I need to export this to the desktop. Then here you can see which frame rate currently have in our video. And here we can select which times you need to increase the frame rate in your video. So I recommend you to select 8 times, because 10 times is overkill for your video performance sometimes. So I select 8 times here. Then you can see how many frames we can get in our output, and also we can adjust the video speed here. So I keep this to normal speed, because we can add the speed graphs to this later. Then go to the AI model, and select this Rife 2.3 General model. So this one gives great results for any videos you use. So you can select the output format here. So I keep this MP4 format. So after that click this interpolate button. Okay, after 40 seconds we got our result. So you can see how many frames we have in our output video. So let's change this to Twixtor look. So I add this to the Filmora. Okay, then we need to change this project frame rate to the highest frame rate we have. So in Filmora we only have 60 FPS. So I change this to 60 FPS. Okay, after that we need to create Twixtor look. So we need to add a speed graph to this. So go to the speed, select speed ramping, select customize. Then I adjust the speed graph to something like this. Okay, now we have a cool Twixtor video like this. So now you can see the difference between the Filmora optical flow and the Flowframes AI tool. So if you use CapCut video editor, you need to do the same thing like we did before. First, you need to change your frame rate to a low frame rate, because a low frame rate helps to find what's the non-active frames in our video. So you can do it simply by clicking this modify button. Then go to the frame rate section, and change it to the low frame rate we have. So now we need to remove all non-active frames in this clip. So I go forward frame by frame, and I only focus on the character's movement like before. So here you can see this character is moving in this frame. So I split this part by pressing Ctrl+B on the keyboard. So then I do the same process in the whole layer like this. Okay, after that we need to change these layer parts to single frames. So go to the end of the clip, and drag it to the left like this. Okay, now you can see we only have our active frames in our video. So now we need to export this video to increase the frame rate using our AI tool. So go to the export, and name the video what you want. And keep the frame rate 24, then export this video. Okay, here we have our exported video. Then add our exported video to the Flowframes AI tool. And here I use the same settings I used before. After that, click this interpolate button. Okay, after that add your output video to the CapCut. Then I delete this old layer, we don't need that again. Then we need to change the frame rate in this project, so click this modify button, and change the frame rate to the highest we have, so I select 60 FPS. Okay, now it looks like this. Then we need to adjust the speed graph, so go to the speed, select the curve, then select customize. Then I adjust the speed graph to something like this. Okay, after that we have a cool Twixtor video like this. So you can see the difference between the CapCut optical flow and the Flowframes AI tool. So guys, that's how we can make cool Twixtor videos inside of Filmora and CapCut, using this free AI tool. So you can see it's so easy to create. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. Also, please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.